Students, now I am going to discuss the new topic, that is equivalent fraction. Now what do you mean by equivalent fraction and how we will get it? Let's see. To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, you may multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, here I have taken one fraction 2 by 3. To find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. By any number you can multiply. Here I have shown you some examples. You can see here in the first, I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by the same number 2 and got the fraction 4 by 6. In second example, I have multiplied both numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the number 3 and got the fraction 6 by 9. Later I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by the same number 4 and got the fraction 8 upon 12. Here 4 by 6, 6 by 9 and 8 by 12, these all are the equivalent fractions of a given fraction 2 by 3. Now we have another way as well to find the equivalent fraction. To find an equivalent fraction, we may divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, here I have taken one fraction 12 by 15. Now to find the equivalent fraction of 12 by 15, we can divide both numerator and denominator by one of its common factor. 3 is the common factor of 12 and 15 as 3 divides both 12 and 15. So here you can see I have divided both numerator and denominator by the same number 3. Now 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 and 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Hence, the equivalent fraction of 12 upon 15 is 4 by 5. So in this way you can find out the equivalent fraction of any given fraction. From these two methods, children, we conclude that now to find an equivalent fraction, either we can multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number.